How are we today? How are we today? Today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing, reusing other people's videos to get started. So the first thing we're going to do, right, we're going to go to Instagram. I want all of you to go to Instagram right now, and I want you guys to look up a category that you guys would prefer to get into. It could be motivational, inspirational. It could be any of those things. But what I want you to do is I want you to look for a high profile person, meaning someone that has a lot of followers. Okay, 20 million followers or more in whatever category. Just choose that one particular person to follow by. Now, I want you to check out their videos. Most of their videos under their profiles will be downloaded by, uh, well, not by, but from other people's profiles, and they'll download that video that was viral and put it on their particular profile. So remember, this isn't something that isn't used. This is a technique that's used, so don't worry about it. So you just understand what to do, and what to do is what I'm telling you to do right now. So you want to go to uh, other people's profiles, and basically you want to download their videos off of their profile, put it on your computer, upload it to your Instagram profile, and then you want to constantly do that along with putting an affiliate link into your profile so that when they see the video, they can go right to the affiliate link that you prefer them to go to. So it all has to be congruent. So make sure that when you do choose a profile, make sure it's in the field that you want to get into. Like if you want to get into motivational speaking, if you want to get into inspirational speaking, if you want to get into astrology, if you want to get into sports, if you want to get into just items sold, if you want to get into different things that you think are high profile that people see, that you can download and that people like, high profile videos that people like, choose a product that's congruent with that. That's all I'm saying. And so when they hit your profile link, that's what will happen. So, all right, we're gonna get back to this lesson. All right. Meaning none of these videos that you're choosing are going to have your picture or your voice on it. So it's going to be easy to do. All you're doing is copy and pasting. You'll learn how to post an affiliate link into your profile like I told you to do. I'll teach you how to do that. That's not hard, but what I want to show you is some other techniques that'll work perfectly in doing that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. All right, hit the link below, subscribe to my channel. I'm also going to be offering you guys a free ebook giveaway, so I want you to look for that also, okay? Next thing I want you guys to do is I want you right now to go uh, and create that Instagram account, okay? I want you to create an Instagram account. This is before you go looking for videos and all of that. I want you, and I know I told you to look for a profile, stuff like that, but I want you to understand what we're going to be doing. We're going to be getting high profile videos, and then we're going to be downloading them to our profile, but we have to download them to our computer first and then upload them into our profile. All right, so I want you to, before we get into that, like I said, create an Instagram account. Uh, before you put your bio information, and we're going to go through some other things. Now, I want you to look for a video that you will want to download. And the best place to do that is at TikTok. All right, I know all of you know about TikTok, so I'm not even going to talk about TikTok, but I want you to take videos from TikTok and download them. So you can search for many videos that pertain to your particular product. So I want you to do that. All right, I want you to look for different videos, write them down, whatever. Take the address bar, the URL address, and you're going to do that. So we're going to search bar it. You're going to go to TikTok. You're going to go into the search bar, and you're going to input whatever you would like to be in. Like I said, motivational, inspirational, astrology, basketball, football, any type of anything that you want to be into. So you want to put that in the search bar in TikTok and see what comes up. You want to start with the top videos that are in your category. And again, let me know uh, if if uh, if you're following me. Let me know if you're following me. Remember to subscribe, of course. If you need to rewind a video, please do so. Uh, After you select your videos that you're going to use, you want to click your video and then you want to copy the URL link in the address bar. Okay, make sure you do that. Now, here's the fun part. We're getting ready to turn it over now. I'm gonna show you how to do this. We're going to go to a site called sstik.io/en. Let me repeat that. www.sstik.io/en. Now, I want you to paste your video URL into the download bar. Download the video, of course. It will download the video without the watermark, so that's the best. That's the good thing about this particular site. Then I want you to click the three little dots in the bottom right and download the video to your computer. That's how we're going to do that, okay? So this particular site allows you to download TikTok videos. And that's what you're going to do. Next, I want you to go to your Instagram profile and start uploading the videos. You're going to upload 2 minimum a day, but try to upload at least 6 a day. Schedule them if you can. There's a post, and I'll try to get this to you. Not a post, but a site, that will schedule whatever post you have. Like schedule your posts ahead of time. So if you have whatever post, you just post a link and you schedule it. I got to get that site for you. I will get that site for you. Let's see where we at. You can schedule them if you can. Schedule the videos and the uploads if you can. Next, you want to create your bio. Okay, here's the fun part too. You can put anything into your bio. Remember that. Anything you want, you can put into your bio. The important thing is to have in your bio is to have that affiliate product link. That link that you're trying to promote or to get people to go to. So the videos are all going to be pointing to what's in the bio. If you tell them to go to the bio, you have a call to action to tell them to go into the bio. You want that button to have something that's going to send them somewhere where they want to go. See, the whole thing with all of this is to solve a problem. If you're helping people solve a problem, then you're helping. The holiday season is coming around. People are tight on money again. Gas prices are up, stuff like that. So you want to make sure that you offer them something that they can do. This is something that you can do every day, and it's cost effective. It doesn't cost you too much to do any of this stuff. All it is costing you time. But time is very pricey, so you got to make sure that you utilize your time well. So doing something like this, like I said, uploading two videos, maybe six videos a day, and if you could get a scheduler to do it, why not do more? That's all I'm saying. Just to see. Let's see how 30 days do. Next 30 days, really schedule yourself. All right, next thing you want to do is go back to ClickBank. You want to go to ClickBanks. The categories recommended are e-business, self-help, spirituality, just to give you a start. Choose something, a product that will yield at least over $100 in something. You want to test different products, of course. You want to get the ClickBank promotional link. You also, after you get that link, you want to take it to a couple sites and try to get it shortened. You could use bit.ly.com. You could use tinyurl.com. You can also use this thing that I like because it allows you to promote multiple products. You could use Linktree. That's Linktree, linktr.ee. And that allows you to create a site to where you can put multiple products on there. So you can have let's say you can have a whole line of products. Let's say you have a shirt, some shoes, pants, and maybe a a bag or something. You got those 4 things, and you want to have them all linked up. Boom, 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 boom. If you want to sell that, or if you're doing an affiliate offer, maybe you'll have 4 affiliate offers that solves whatever problem. Or if you, I mean, there's a lot of things that you can do with Linktree. So make sure you use that. Next, all right, you want to put your shortened link into your Instagram bio you created. You can create many Instagram profiles to manage. So remember, you can have a whole lot, just like ClickMate has categories. Hell, you can create categories on Instagram and keep doing this. If you can schedule yourself and make sure that you're on top of everything, why not? Start with 1. Once you get that 1 started, start with 2, 3, 4. It's all about scheduling and see what you can do. But if you can do it on automation, man, think about it. Make a lot of money. I want to see how this goes. This is October 27th. Let's see how this goes in about 2 weeks. Let's come back and check this out. All right, but we're not finished. I got a couple other things I want you to do. Remember, you can create many Instagram profiles to manage. Remember to download videos 5 to 6 daily. For the next 2 weeks, we're going to try this. On your Instagram page, that is. So you're finding videos to download to your Instagram page. So you're building your Instagram page also. So you're going to have a bunch of viral videos on your Instagram page. So you're also going to be promoting it. Because as you build up, it just builds up like that. So you're going to keep recycling stuff and recycling and recycling and recycling. All right. You can also create your own video to download to your Instagram account, and where you will go for that is you will go to canva.com. You will click the videos. You will click the video. You can make your own videos. When you click videos, it gives you the standard pixel of 1080 by 1920, which is good for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So use Canva to find these videos. You can do all types of stuff. I mean, use Canva to make videos. You could use your own inspirational text, to find, or you could find one to paste onto your video. So you could use, you can do basically anything you want to do. You can use Pinterest to find other texts if you don't have any ideas or whatever. You can paste those on your Canva videos and then upload your video to the Instagram account. So, there's a whole bunch just to see how your videos will go if you want to do your own videos. So don't think about it. All right, you guys, I don't want you to think about nothing. I want you to create an Instagram profile right now. Get started right now. You can do this. We want to rinse and repeat. There's no money needed. Man, everything is there. No money needed. Literally, this can take 5 to 10 minutes manually daily. You can not think about it. You can upload 5 to 6, and if you get a schedule, man, you can do it maybe once a week, twice a month, or once a month if you're real good, and just have it scheduled. Boom, 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 boom. So, if you need to go back in the video, go back in the video. All right? You just need to know how to follow directions. If you can follow these directions, let's see, the holiday season is coming up. Give yourself a chance. I'm going to put this out today. All right. Take it easy. Peace out.